Hey guys, welcome back. Tell you what, welcome back for dinner. Back outside, very hot summer day, Louisville, Kentucky. It's all right. Back outside on the Char-Griller. I started to say offset. It's not an offset anymore. It's just my grill. That's okay. Folks, I got about roughly 4 pounds of pork loin roast inside. I'm just going to season up. I'm going to sear it up, and I'm going to pull it off and cook it indirect to finish up, and go from there. Just have this for dinner tonight, guys. So guys, let's get going. Hey guys, like I said, roughly, it's actually just under 4 pounds of pork loin roast, and I got some fat. It's not as I picked this out of some of the others because it didn't have as much fat, so less trimming for me. Clean it up some. I don't have to like I got to get all of it off, but we're gonna get some off anyway. I think about 90% of that big chunk right there is fat, so I'm gonna take the whole thing off there. I think it's gonna be about it for us. Yeah, I think I was right. Most of that is fat. All right, guys, look at there. Hey guys, I'm just going for what I got on hand here. I just got some of this Killer Hog steak rub going on. Check that out. Good stuff. No binder, no nothing, go straight on. I'm not gonna season it up real heavy, to be honest with you. Put it over, get the other side. That's actually more seasoning than I intended. That's all right. Gonna be fine. We are rocking a little over 400 degrees here over the fire. Well, I'm gonna get some sear on this thing. Not gonna be very long on this. Alright, it's just been a couple minutes, guys. It'll come up. I'm gonna let it set a little bit longer. It's coming. Yeah. Okay. There. Just a couple minutes over here. And I might do the sides and the ends, and then we'll move it indirect. Alright, a couple more minutes. I'm just going to get this on the sides. I won't bore you with all of it, but the sides and the ends for just a minute or so. This is why we do a 2-zone fire most of the time. I'm doing a hot side and a not so hot side. So I'm going to move this indirect. And just let her cook. We'll check temps as we go. Okay, yeah, I do own one of those fancy internal temp remote deals. They even got the Bluetooth. I don't know where I put it. I'm going with this little guy. I think I can control it pretty good. It's just one piece of meat. I think we got this. You know, I don't want a lot of smoke on here, but I'm gonna add one little piece of cherry right there. Sometimes I think you can overload these loins with smoke. But cherry wood, I haven't used that in a while. It's been about 15 minutes or so. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this just for some even cooking. Wow, look at there. A little bit more done. It's okay, I like it. It's looking good. Okay, I just want to come in. We're on here maybe half hour or so, maybe a little bit longer. I want to check some temps just to see where we're at. This can get too done and it'll dry out if you're not real careful. That's why I'm regretting not being able to find my other little gadget. We're about 133 here. Yeah, I'm gonna flip it just for some more even cooking because I'm actually hotter on this side. Obviously, I'm closer to the fire. I'm gonna turn it all the way around this way. Alright guys, we'll check back here shortly. We ain't got much longer on this cook. Just for time's sake, I think we're actually pretty close here. Getting 130 there. I'm going for 140 degrees. I'll move directly over, but I'm going on the top rack just for a couple minutes. I think we're very close, guys. Alright. What do we got here, guys? I think we are so there. Oh yeah, we're definitely there. Let me get this thing off of here, get her inside, get her rested, and we'll cut into it, get a taste. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. Let's give this thing, that's awful thin over here, but that's all right, we're gonna cut. Thing's still hot, plenty hot. Oh yeah. Look beautimous, beautimous. I could cut a little thinner, but that's all right. Get in here what is really happening here. Let's take a look at that. Would you look at that? Ooh, it's hot. That is hot. Let me get a taste of this, guys. Wow, look at that. It is warm out there. I tell you what, man, that is so good. That is so tender. Catch that right at 140 degrees. That's generally perfect. I just want this taste. You know, I do these fairly often. Just, I don't film them all, obviously, but I tell you what, it's probably the best one I've done yet. Little smoke, a little bit of that cherry wood, but it's not overpowering, which is what I was going after, being quite honest. These pork loins can sometimes be smoked too much, and they're also fairly easy to dry out, so you really got to watch your temperatures. Cook them to 140 degrees, let them rest a little bit, pull them off, slice them, gets the grain and everything. It should be perfect for you. This is really good. Guys, thank you. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Having a blast doing this. We'll be back next week. So guys, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, hit that bell too over there. That'll let you know when I post videos. So guys, thank you. God bless you, and we'll see you next week. God bless. Bye-bye.